Hello, my name is Andrew Preston, and I'm one of the co-founders of Cassyni. Our mission is to build an online ecosystem for academic seminars. About 1 million seminars happen inside universities each year. They're an integral part of research culture, but their value has never really been recognized. We started talking about the idea for Cassyni early in the pandemic when we realized that the seminars we'd always attended had gone online and onto Zoom. Organizers had cobbled together solutions for this, but the infrastructure to make things really work was missing. Over the last 18 months, we built an amazing workflow tool that solves the problem of organizing and publishing academic seminars online. It's simple enough that anyone can use it, and professional enough that top researchers, universities, and academic publishers are now using it to run and publish seminars. Each video hosted on Cassyni receives a unique DOI, linking it into the formal sphere of human knowledge so it can be cited by researchers, just as they would cite a print publication. And this is starting to happen. But we go deeper. Cassyni uses artificial intelligence to identify the references mentioned within the video. This means that as you're watching a video, you no longer have to pause, type out pieces of text, and run a complicated search just to load a relevant reference. Instead, you just click. Magical. And that's just for a single slide on a single seminar. You can imagine the power of this when repeated across the 1 million seminars that are held each year. And that's just the start. Research isn't a passive process like watching Netflix or YouTube. Researchers jump around papers, searching them, looking at figures, and copying snippets. For every video added to Cassyni, we extract a table of contents, transcript, and slides, turning passive video into an interactive research environment. You can search for anything instantly across thousands of videos. And with Cassyni slides, you can preview and jump immediately to the right place within a video. Every slide gets its own URL too, so researchers can share ideas from video in ways that have never been possible before. This technology is a game changer for researchers, and we believe it can be applied in other areas too. Can students use tools like this to better revise and learn from the multitude of online lectures they now have access to? We can't wait to find out.